How's it, guys? Today we are at Honda Wing South Africa, and we're speaking to one Mr. Rory Huff. Is it correctly, hey?
Yes, Rory Huff.
Anyway. And today it's not so much about the motorbike, but more about the technology involved with Honda's bikes.
Correct.
So, Rory, this is the Honda Road Sync, like you see behind us here. This is going to be available basically on all your new motorcycles.
Well, right now the lineup is the Hornet 750,
Right.
okay, the Transalp XL 750, and the newest motorcycle, the NX 500.
Right.
There will be some models in the future. We shall keep you updated.
Okay, cool. It doesn't affect the tech on the Africa Twins and the Gold Wings and that kind of thing.
No, the Africa Twins and the Gold Wings, our top line motorcycles, will come with Apple CarPlay.
Okay. So this is a little bit more simplified, easier
Correct.
to use maybe?
Correct. Yeah, it's much easier to use. You don't really need a headset. It is advantages for you to have a headset, unlike
Yeah.
Apple CarPlay,
Alright.
where you need a headset for Apple CarPlay to work.
You're right. Okay.
It is wireless, it's Bluetooth,
Yeah.
so you don't need a cable to a USB like you do with
Okay.
some other models.
Yeah, alright.
So,
Alright, so this all works off an app, is
Correct.
what you were telling me.
yeah.
So now,
On the Road Sync app, it's available on your Google Play Store and on your Apple Play Store.
okay.
These apps are only useful on the iPhone and the Samsungs. It will not work on Y, unfortunately.
Okay, because that's a third party.
Correct.
But anything that works off Android
Android
and Apple.
and Apple.
Okay. So anything that doesn't work off that? Sorry.
Unfortunately.
So if the guy said to go get one of the cheaper cell phones from pet stores or something like that, that's Android, it should work.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Cool. So Rory, let's find it. We're going to go to Apple Play Store.
Your Google.
And Google Play Store, Android. Yeah, and you're going to get through all the adverts. Let's go here.
Just Google Honda Road Sync.
Honda Road Sync. Cool. All right, we get downloaded to this device. Right. So we're going to just pause the video there while it's busy downloading. Okay. Cool. Okay, so what we've done is we've downloaded. So we're just going to open it. Yada, yada, yada. All right, so...
This is your terms and conditions. You need to go through all your settings and your permissions for it to work. You need to allow your permissions for everything.
Cool. Let's go in, go yes. Sign in with Google. Let's sign in with a Google account. I think there's one or two on this phone. Yes, we'll just use that one there. All right, so this is what can you do with Honda Road Sync. So come explain to me, Rory.
Okay, so you got your point-to-point navigation.
Yeah.
You can receive calls and make calls. You can listen to music on your Apple Play Store on your Samsung Music. You cannot listen to radio.
So it's got no FM transmitter and receiver.
Correct.
All right.
Even though your phone does, it does not work with the app.
Okay.
It's not inclusive inside the app.
All right, cool.
Because it's all app-based.
Yeah, all right.
You can check your weather, and it's text to read messages. So
Okay, is this going to be WhatsApp or is this going to be just SMS?
SMSs, WhatsApp, everything. Any message.
Any message
it
service.
comes through.
Okay, it'll pick it up.
Read it to you if you have a headset. If not, it'll read it through your phone while your phone is in your pocket.
Okay, oh, so you can, all right.
Yes,
all right, cool.
because it's voice commanded.
Is it voice command?
voice
So it's
command.
text to speech, you can
Correct.
basically.
Correct.
All right. And I don't need a headset for the text to speech. I can literally just, when I stop at a side of the road, I can just pull the phone out and talk into the telephone and it'll communicate through
Correct.
the.
As long as the app is still running, it'll work fine.
Okay, lekker. So let's hit next. Okay, access to locations, next.
While using this
Let's
app.
go while using this app. Okay, so
Now you need to
it
go
says
into your phone.
set location permissions to allow all the time. So that's quite important, otherwise it doesn't work.
Correct.
Okay,
So now it'll take you into your phone.
allow all the time.
Correct.
100 cement. Enable navigation here. Hit that next. Okay, there's a whole lot of the usual
Location,
mumbo
you need weather.
Okay. Audio permissions, make telephone calls okay. And here you just allow. Okay, hit next. Allow. We're going to use...
You want to use Spotify?
I'm going to use YouTube music on this phone. Let's go to next. Then we're going to go Honda Road Sync supported motorcycle. Okay.
Correct.
So we're going to go next.
Connect to motorcycle. So let's turn
Switch
the
on there.
motorcycle on.
So let's check what you get up to here.
First, the motorcycle will be connected to the smartphone through Bluetooth. So let's click next.
Okay. Allow. So let's look for the bike. We're on a Honda CB750 Hornet.
Correct.
Okay.
So now I'm going through to general settings on your...
Okay, so
bike.
hold on a second there. I just want to focus on something here.
Yes.
This is what a lot of people don't understand with a lot of these apps on the bikes. Single arrow means you can just scroll.
Just one scroll.
You one scroll. If it's a double arrow, means you have to hold it to
Hold
get
it for 2 seconds. 1, 2.
Okay.
Then you're back.
Okay, cool.
So this is the same switching as the Transalp and I believe the NX as well.
Okay, the NX5, new NX500.
Yes, it's the same sort of modular setup.
Okay, cool.
So then we go down to Bluetooth reset, Bluetooth pairing reset. So we're going to reset the pairing. So you've selected your motorcycle.
Yeah, so I hit next.
So hit next.
Okay.
And now it's going to set up your CB750. Configure Bluetooth settings on the motorcycle side. Reset Bluetooth on the motorcycle.
So you have to reset it on that side, I understand.
Correct. So let's reset first this time.
Yeah.
Let's go once, hold it twice, reset, it's finished. So let's go down on the app.
So we've done all of that.
Yeah, I'll take you through.
Done all of that. Confirm.
Do we have a confirmation of the Bluetooth?
Start pairing.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Pairing.
Pairing.
And Honda CB750 Hornet.
Connected. You're not connecting a headset.
Okay, so just go next.
So go to Bluetooth settings. Oh, no, sorry. Go next. My bad.
Okay.
Let's go back.
So go next.
Yep.
And now notifications to be sent. Allow. Grant notifications to access other apps. Yes. Allow. Check that later. We've already had Rory teach us how to do that. And then what you'll notice is it brings it up on the screen. It brings up the navigation.
Main menu.
And it's got spoken prompts as well.
It's voice to text. So.
Yeah. Right. And then on the screen, you have everything up there.
Correct.
So now, if I want to navigate to somewhere, what do? I'll just tap on there.
You can either tap on your phone.
Voice search. Press right to start place search.
Okay, I can go nearby places.
Gas station. Press right to start searching.
Looking at how much fuel's on the bike, we're going to look for a gas station.
Searching for nearby gas station. Shell Gallagher Gardens Midland 2.6 kilometers. Press right to start navigating.
Or we can just press
So
that.
I'll press right here.
Loading navigation. Press left to cancel.
So if I want to cancel, just press left.
Finding the best route.
I'll find the best route.
And
Navigation
Head northeast
options.
on Magua Crescent
Press left
toward
to
Barwa
end
Road.
Navigation. Press right to repeat Navi guidance. Long press left to return to menu.
Head southeast on Barwa Road toward Carcliffe Crescent, then turn left onto Carcliffe Crescent.
okay, and there you have it. And then it works exactly the same for making calls and etc.
Exactly.
So I'm going to exit
End
out of that.
navigation. Press right for yes. Press left for no. Navigation ended. Main menu.
Cool. So if you want to make calls, messages, music, blah, 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 volume of 93%, that's because I'm old and deaf. But that's what my wife tells me. So cool. Lekker, guys. Guys, keep an eye out on the magazine on ridefast.co.za. We are going to have a little bit of fun with this bike. And Rory says I can have it for a couple of days. I can go be a bit of a hooligan with it. He doesn't mind paying
Enjoy it.
fines. Cool. Keep an eye on the website.